This is SP monitor circuit, and this monitor circuit problem is no power, and this one is the power supply, and this one is the motherboard. And today I'll fix this monitor circuit. Okay, let's see what happened. Plug in the power is plugged in. Let's check some voltage of this monitor. Okay, check the output voltage of this power supply, and this one is the output. Here is the 20 voltage present, and check it, and here is another output, but here is no voltage, but here is 20 voltage present. Okay, but here is no voltage, and this one is the maybe 5 volt, and this one turn on the motherboard. Okay, check this power LED. Here is one power LED. Power LED is not clone. Press it, but it's not working. Maybe this problem comes from the power supply. Let's open it and check it. Where is the problem? This kind of power. And here is one trick, and you can understand where is the problem. And this one is the primary side of the power supply, and this one is the secondary side of the power supply. And here is one filter capacitor, and this capacitor have a charge, and you can be understand the problem is the primary side. Okay, check it. Here is any voltage or not, but here is no voltage. 14 voltage is okay, but it's going down. Okay, that means this problem comes from the output. Okay, primary side is okay, because of we are getting 1 voltage of this power supply. And this is the power supply. Okay, you can plug in this, and check the voltage. Here is a 20 voltage present, 21. Okay, but here is no voltage present. Okay, but let's check this, and this diode is a no voltage, and check this diode. And here is 2 diode. Maybe one diode is short. You can see this one is showing continuity, and this one is okay. Okay, let's check it. Which one is short? This one is short, this one is okay. Okay viewers, and you can see, and this one is showing short 0.9 ohms, and this one is okay. Okay, let's open this one. I have opened the faulty diode and I will install the one. Let's check it what happened. And I got this diode problem. You can see this one is shorted. Okay, let's plug in this again. And check the voltage. And you can see here is a 5.20 voltage present, and here is a 19 point something, 20 voltage is present. Okay, 20 voltage is present. Okay, first maybe our circuit is okay. Let's install the motherboard. And I have a one damper diode, and this one also work in this circuit. Okay, I have installed it. Okay, plug in. Plug in, and you can see, and here is a power LED is clone. That means our circuit is okay. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. And again I am checking this voltage, what happened. Here is a 5.20 voltage present, and here is a 21.64 voltage present, and this voltage work for the backlight and other purpose, and this one is work for the motherboard. And here is the power LED screw. Turn off, turn on. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.